guys, it's your girl Jada back with it, you feel me? I'm about to get right on into it. I'm going to do a ball cap method this time with my glueless wig install. Beginner friendly. I'm going to go into detail, so if you think that's something you want to see, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if it was helpful to you. Go and check out more videos. One of the first essential steps to melting your lace with the ball cap method is choosing a stocking cap that is closest to your skin color. So I got the darker one, and you saw me cut holes in the ears, and what that does is just helps the stocking cap stay pulled down on your head where you need it to be. And you'll want to use 2 layers of got-to-be freeze around your hairline to make the stocking cap stick. For the sake of time, I used a blow dryer, but you don't have to, that's optional. Next, you'll want to trim your stocking cap down to where you want to place your frontal, and I would recommend that you use some shears instead of big old house scissors for precision purposes, if anything, and also so you can be careful. I just had an epiphany the other day, and I was like, wow, maybe my wig would last longer if I did the ball cap method. Look, I stopped doing it because when I was gluing my wigs down, it used to pull my hair out. But I thought, if I'm only using the got-to-be freeze when I do the ball cap method, and I use got-to-be freeze on my glueless wigs anyways, I can still do the ball cap method. And the thing is, with the ball cap method, the wig has something to stick to other than your skin. And so whatever oils, or if you sweat in your head a lot, or any hair products, your lace won't lift as easily. If you have any pieces of the stocking cap that didn't get laid down all the way, you can just use a little bit more got-to-be freeze and just lay it down with the edge of the comb. And then we're going to want to place our wig. Major key in my opinion, is to make sure for your glueless wig installs, make sure you have an elastic band attached to your wig. And now what you want to do is want to clean up any excess product with just some alcohol. You can use witch hazel. Witch hazel works well too, but alcohol works the best. You want to apply your lace in sections. I like to start in the middle because I feel like if I start in the middle and go ahead and get the middle stuck down, then I won't have to worry about my wig shifting from side to side and being uneven and offsetting and all that. I apply it to my skin first and then let the got-to-be freeze get a little dry and tacky first, and then I'll stick the lace down and then apply some more got-to-be freeze onto the lace just to stick it down the rest of the way. But I'm gonna let y'all watch what I do. Okay, so I lay my sideburns down 2 different ways, and on this first side, I'm going to show you one way where I use my fingers I'm gonna go ahead and say I wouldn't recommend this especially if you're a beginner, because I feel like this way is a bit more messy because you're pressing the hair down, and so like obviously the product is gonna go through the lace and make the hair stick. So you can do it this way, but you're just gonna have to add an extra little cleanup step afterwards, which I'm about to show you. But I'm also going to show you how I do the other side, which I prefer that method better. And so on this other side, the difference is I make sure that I move the hair out the way, so I'm just sticking the lace down and not really just pressing the sideburn against my head. So I'm only pressing against the lace with the edge of the comb or the edge of the edge brush. Alright, so we're just gonna clean up even more of the excess product. And look, I decided to do my makeup, so you're about to see a quick little transition. Boom. Okay, so and look, in this next clip I'm not even gonna hold you because I struggled with doing my edges. I don't know, I don't know what I was doing. I really had a hard time this time. You can tell I was just about fed up, but look, with perseverance, we will succeed. And sis, and did.
Yeah, baby girl, you know you hit the target.
This wasn't really a styling video. I'll make sure to do more of those in the future, but all I did was use some conditioner, water, and some mousse, and I decided to go ahead and use my diffuser, which I'm really happy I did because I love how voluminous and just full and juicy it made the curls look. And this is just me just vibing.
Bitch, look me in my soul when you say you love me. Sipping on some wine, palm trees fresh. Put my hands to it, and we wanna go take you there. Yeah.
I'm so glad I was finally satisfied with how my hair turned out, because honestly this was my third time filming this between me just not liking how the wig looked on camera, just not liking how the footage looked. But I finally got something I could work with, so I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure you check out more, like, comment, subscribe.